How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Finance with Avrin. In this video, I want to tell you about the SoFi referral bonus and their direct deposit bonus, where you can earn a combined, with both of them, $325. I'm going to show you and tell you how you can do that, or the lower amounts, $25, $50, or $75 if you don't want to go the full route to obtain the $325. And SoFi is a great platform and banking product. I've used it myself personally for years, along with several other, of course, financial institutions and banks. And on my referral stats, it shows that I've referred 25 people and earned over $1,000. For some people out there, they may be looking for a new savings or checking account, and SoFi could be the one for you. Or maybe you just wanted to check it out and see what the features are and how the app looks and so forth. Let's get right into it here, starting with the referral bonus. Very easy, simple process. Let's get into eligibility. With the referral bonus, you must open a SoFi checking and savings account by clicking on the unique referral link sent by an existing SoFi member. And my referral link is in the description of this video, and I'll also leave a comment with it down below so you can easily access it if you want to. Definitely thanks if you do that, and much appreciated. But with the SoFi checking and savings account, yes, there are two accounts. You just can't open one account. When you open a SoFi checking account, it comes with a savings account, and vice versa. You open a SoFi savings account, if you want to just do that, it's going to come with a checking account. Now, you don't have to use both accounts, but they work very well together, and I can tell you that from personal experience. Transfers instantly, and SoFi themselves are really great with transfers. This is one of the quickest banks when it comes to transfers for external transfers and internal transfers. But that aside, let's get back into the bonus. So yeah, you have to click on the link and start the process that way through the referral link of somebody who has an existing SoFi checking and savings account. So yes, my link is down below. I do currently have a SoFi checking and savings account, so the link is legit. And as you saw on my screenshot on the screen, I have referred people to SoFi. No issue with that. And eligibility for opening a SoFi bank account includes the following. You must be at least age 18 or older, have a physical United States address, and a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. So those are the main things right there you'll need. And of course, you're going to need to enter other info like your name, date of birth, and so forth. Typical things you would need to enter when you're applying for a new account in a financial institution or bank. And also for this bonus, you must not already have any SoFi product, but you can have a registered SoFi account. So if you don't have any kind of SoFi product already, like a credit card with them, a checking or savings account, or invest account, then you could be eligible for this bonus. So you cannot have a SoFi product already open with them, but you can have a registered SoFi account. So I'm not sure, I guess some people may go that route, just opening a SoFi account, but not any specific product. Me, when I first started with SoFi, I opened a checking and savings account. And also for this bonus, there is only one referral bonus per new customer per term of the referral program. Now, there is a limitation, of course, of the referral bonus amounts that you can actually accumulate in a year. They state in the fine print that in no event will any referrer or referred member be entitled to receive more than $10,000 in cumulative referral or welcome bonuses under all available SoFi referral programs within any calendar year. So a very generous limitation right there, because several other banks and financial institutions have a cap of like $1,000 in referral bonuses per calendar year. SoFi, they're like $10,000. So there's a limitation right there. I want to tell you about that, but that takes a while to actually meet that. And I have nowhere close to that. Like I stated, I've earned like over $1,000 since I've been with SoFi, and I've been with them for years. So definitely not hitting the max, but let's get there. But yeah, so after you, of course, apply for this account and, get the referral bonus and everything, you then can be the referrer and send out your referral link to people and earn that $100 bonus. Let's get into the bonus amounts and everything in the next steps. Yes. So as the new member to SoFi, the person that was referred, now after opening a SoFi checking or savings account by clicking on that unique referral link that you got, you must make deposits totaling $50 or more that settle within 21 calendar days of clicking the referral link. So from that moment that you click on that referral link and start the process of opening the account, you need to make total deposits of at least $50 or more within 21 days of that day. Now, very simple, easy process with these deposits. Now, these don't have to be direct deposits. They can be deposits made via ACH transfer from a linked external bank account. Direct deposit, it can be direct deposit if you want, so they can be that route, or they can be via instant transfer from a debit card if that's available to you. Certain things may not be available to some people when they open their account, depending on certain factors, behind the scenes with SoFi, but if that's available to you, then you can go that route. Now, also, you can make deposits via cash deposits and mobile check deposits if available, or wire transfers. So that deposit of $50 or more that you're making within that 21 days for the referral bonus can be made various ways. A lot of people are going to make that via the external bank account transfer. So if you have a bank account, with Capital One or Bank of America or Chase or wherever, you could just transfer $50 at least, or more if you want to your new SoFi checking or savings account. Can go in either one of those accounts within that 21 days, and boom, you're set. After that, you just need to make sure you keep your account in good standing. And then your bonus of $25 will be credited to the referred, so the new member in this case, to their SoFi checking account within 7 business days. For the person doing the referring, which would be me in this example right here, they will receive a bonus of $100 that's going to be credited to their SoFi checking account within 7 business days. Now, this amount has ranged in the past from what I've noticed with the years of being a SoFi, from like $50 to $100, but currently it's $100. Now, with these bonuses, I got to mention this, they are taxable income and may be reported on a form 1099-MISC or 1099-INT. So the year that you receive this bonus, you'll just need to be aware that next year when you're doing your taxes, that you'll likely need to, submit that information on that form in that section of doing your taxes. If you do your taxes normally, then you know this process, you get it, you know where to put the info and so forth. If you get someone else to do your taxes, just bring all those forms, including the one that you'll get from SoFi, to them and let them prepare your taxes, and they'll know what to do with it. That is the referral bonus right there, eligibility and the steps and timeline to obtain that bonus. Very simple, easy process. I've done it myself personally when I first started with SoFi, and then as you see on that screenshot I showed you at the beginning, I'll show it right here. Personally, I have sent out my referral link and people have clicked on it and opened their account. No issue, no problem. They've received their bonus and I've received my bonus. So thank you to anybody who's done that already in the past, and thank you to anybody in the future or currently that is doing that. Very much appreciated. Now let's get into the direct deposit bonus information here. So first up, we're going to start with account eligibility. So of course, the first part of this is going to be the same as the previous part of eligibility when it comes to starting an account with SoFi. You must be age 18 or older, have a physical United States address, and a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. And then of course, when you're opening the account, there's going to be the same process as you're opening an account with another bank or financial institution, with entering your name and address and date of birth and so forth. Now, if you stack both of these bonuses, you already done this part. You've already opened the account. With the direct deposit promotion bonus that's going on right here, and I'm telling you about, this applies to new SoFi checking and savings accounts or existing checking and savings customers without any history of direct deposit transactions into their SoFi checking and savings account. So this could be for new accounts. If you just opened that new account via the referral link and went that route, that's great, to stack the bonuses. Or if you just already had a SoFi checking or savings account, but you never initiated direct deposits into that account, you have no history of direct deposits into that account, then you will be eligible as well. So this is for both type of customers and members for this bonus right here. Now with the direct deposit bonus, it is limited to 1 per SoFi checking and savings account. And in the case of a joint account, only the primary account holder, the member who signed up first, is eligible for the bonus. And now this direct deposit bonus promotion has a date on it. So it's currently set to end on January 31st, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. And let me tell you more about the deposit eligibility and the amounts for this direct deposit bonus. Now, in order to qualify for a bonus of either $50 or $300, SoFi must recognize receipt of at least 1 eligible direct deposit from an eligible participant. Now, what is that? What's the eligible direct deposit and what's the eligible participant? To the fine print right here, I've got it up on the screen on the slide. So an eligible direct deposit means a reoccurring deposit of regular income to an account holder's SoFi checking or savings account, including payroll, pension, or government benefit payments like Social Security, made by the account holder's employer, payroll, or benefits provider or government agency via ACH transfer. That's basically the way that transfers are executed via the automated clearinghouse. So that's nothing you really have to worry about. Most transfers go that route. So a lot of people are going to get this via their employer. You can set a certain amount of your paycheck, typically to go towards a certain account. So you can have however much you want to go into your new SoFi account, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month, however you get paid, however you want to map it out as far as the amount of the bonus that you're going for, which I have right here on the screen as well. So the total direct deposit amount received during the direct deposit bonus period and the cash bonus tier that's related to it. So if you have a total direct deposit amounts between, like $1 and $999.99, well, then you're not going to get a bonus. You have to have a cumulative direct deposits of at least $1,000 to get the cash bonus of $50. So if you have total direct deposits during the direct deposit bonus period between $1,000 and $4,999.99, then you will get a cash bonus of $50. Now, if you have total direct deposits of $5,000 or more during the direct deposit bonus period, then you would earn the cash bonus of $300. Now, the direct deposit bonus period begins when SoFi receives an eligible direct deposit of $1 or more within the promotion period and ends 25 calendar days later. So you pretty much determine when this direct deposit bonus period starts. So your first direct deposit that hits your account, that's going to begin the countdown. And then you have 25 days from that to get that cumulative amount that you're going for. So if your first direct deposit is $500, well, then you have 25 days to get it up to $1,000 or $5,000 at least to get that cash bonus of $50 or $300. And so you can have that direct deposit going to either account because each account is going to have its own account number, and then they both have the same routing number. So yeah, that's deposit eligibility and amounts. Now let's get into the timeline. First part of this is going to be pretty much some repeated information, but I want to put it on this screen for sure as well. Now the direct deposit bonus period begins when SoFi receives that eligible direct deposit of at least $1 or more within the promotion period. And then it ends 25 days later. So the promotion period is going on now and it ends January 31st, 2026. So this is the promotion period that's going on now. So you just need to receive that first direct deposit by January 31st, 2026. And then even if you get that direct deposit, that first one on January 30th, 2026, then you still have 25 days from that to, get the total direct deposit that you're going for, to have more direct deposits going into your account to get that total direct deposit you're going for. And then what you need to do for sure is keep your account open and in good standing. Now you don't have to keep a positive balance on this, although it's good to have a positive balance on your bank accounts, so you don't go a long time with a zero balance in case a bank determines that your account is dormant and closes it automatically. Part of keeping an account in good standing is keeping it open. So you want to do that. Now the direct deposits that you've got into your account, they don't have to stay there for this bonus to be paid out to you. When you get that direct deposit in your account, you can start sending it wherever you're sending it, paying bills, transferring it to another account, transferring it to your retirement account, investment accounts, however you want to do with your money, what you got going on. You don't have to keep it in the account for this bonus. And so now receiving your direct deposit bonus. Now, once the direct deposit bonus period has elapsed, after that 25 days of the first direct deposit you receive, SoFi will then determine if you have met the offer requirements and will deposit any earned bonus into your SoFi checking account within 7 business days. So for example, if SoFi receives, between $1,000 and $4,999.99 total of eligible direct deposits during the direct deposit bonus period, then you will receive a one-time cash bonus of $50 into your SoFi checking account. Now, a member may only qualify for one bonus tier and will not be eligible for future bonus payments if eligible direct deposits subsequently increase after the direct deposit bonus period. And so even if you keep using this account and have more direct deposits and then you get to $5,000 total and more, they're not going to retroactive, they'll give you that $300 cash bonus or, $250 cash bonus, minus that $50 that you received if you received that initially during the bonus period. So just to keep that in mind, you can't really stack the direct deposit bonuses of $50 and $300. Whichever one you go for and you get first is the one you're going to be stuck with, is the one you're going to get. Now, the direct deposit bonus is considered income and may be reportable on IRS Form 1099-INT or Form 1042-S as applicable. So like I stated for the referral bonus, when it comes to bonuses, taxes. So just keep that in mind. If you do your taxes yourself, then you know this process, you know where to put the information, however you do your taxes. If you get someone else to do your taxes, then just take this form that you'll receive from SoFi in the mail and any others that you have going on your W-2, anything else, to your tax professional, the person doing your taxes, and they'll know what to do with the information. So yes, that's the direct deposit bonus timeline mapped out right there. And that is the information about the SoFi referral bonus and direct deposit bonus currently going on. So you can definitely stack these bonuses to maximum your cash bonus to $325. So $25 for the referral bonus and then $300 for the maximum amount of the direct deposit bonus will earn you that $325. Now, if you can't hit the direct deposit requirements to get that $300, there's no shame in that, nothing wrong with that. You can still stack this bonus with the referral bonus. So you can get a total of $75 of bonuses, the $25 referral bonus, and then $50 for that direct deposit bonus if you meet that cash bonus tier, and that will get you $75. Or if you just want to do the referral bonus, you don't want to do the direct deposit bonus, then you can obtain that $25 and you can start sending out your referral link, getting people to sign up with SoFi and receive the $100 bonus or $75 bonus, whichever amount that is at. Sometimes it's at $75, but currently it's at $100 for the person doing the referring. So that will be nice as well. So keep that in mind. And that is it with my video on these bonuses with SoFi. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.